Guys, this is Mahmoud from Steele Hyundai Halifax. Today we have the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Luxury. Stay tuned. This is the 2021 Hyundai Sonata Luxury package. 1.6 liter turbo engine, 7.7 combined fuel consumption. This is a very roomy and stylish cruiser, packed with lots of tech and safety features. Very nice, unique, aggressive design. Amazing handling, very stable. You can confidently drive it through winding roads. Highway speeds, no problem at all. Plenty of space in the back. Very comfy seats. Beautiful classy design. This Sonata is equipped with many safety and tech features. It has the forward collision warning system with emergency braking assist. It has a lane keep assist, blind spot. It has surround 360-degree camera. Of course, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It has heated and ventilated front seats. Has adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. Very nice high quality material all over the interior. The Sonata has a very spacious and deep trunk. Very wide opening, very deep inside. You can of course fold down the seats for more space. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach to us at Steele Hyundai Halifax 902-454-1000.